I was gifted this set of 12 fantastic paintbrushes. Now, these are wonderful for any type of paint, acrylics, oils, watercolors, and they come in a variety of different styles. Let me show you. Now, on the back, you can see the names of all of them. Let me show you them with some paint. Now each paintbrush shows the number of the brush on it, which makes it really easy to remember which brush you are using in case they all get blended together. And then I love that the bristles really don't go anywhere. I can yank on them. They're not changing at all. So let's try some of these out with some paint. Blue watercolor, gorgeous, precise control. Red acrylic, paints beautifully. And of course the fan is a really fun paintbrush all on its own. Really, really beautiful, however you use it. So whether you're painting with acrylics or watercolors, this is a really nice paint set.